Stop using ugly static watermarks. If you're on a laptop, here is the pro way to do it. First, go to the File menu at the top, click Import, and bring in your footage. Drag your media onto the timeline. Now, click the Text button in the top menu. You'll see the default text option appear. Drag the text onto your timeline, making sure it sits right on top of your footage. Type your name in the right-hand panel. Pick a clean font and drop the opacity to between 20 and 30%. Stretch the clip to fit your entire timeline. If you're making a short, click Ratio and select 9:16. Finally, hit Export in the top right, and you're done. Happy editing!